Hello, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Julia Salvia. If you are not new here, welcome back. I am doing a really exciting series for the holidays this year here on my YouTube channel and throughout all of my other platforms, Instagram and TikTok to be specific. Check it out, it's up in this corner somewhere. But here on YouTube, you guys are going to get a rundown of 12 different graphic liner looks, all inspired by the holidays and inspired by your zodiac sign. So here is day number 1. This is a candy cane eyeliner in a full look with some cute little matching earrings. I'm super excited for this series. I really wanted to do something that you guys could wear to your Christmas holiday parties and or just have fun creating, but I wanted it to be something that's like wearable, something that is fun. So for all of these graphic eyeliners, I am going to be showing you how I get each of the eyeliners and also the lip and any other special addition to the whole look. If you want to see any of my foundation tutorials, let me know in the comments below if you want to see how I get my skin. But for this series, we're going to be focusing mainly on the eyes and a little bit on the lips and any other extras that bring this whole look together. And I hope you like my background. I worked really hard on it. I still have to put my collage wall up, but it's coming. I hope you guys are excited for this series. I'm really excited to share it with you. If you guys want to see how I got this liner and this whole look and figure out what zodiac sign this is inspired by, then just keep on watching. And before you watch the rest of the video, leave your guess in the comments below what zodiac sign you think this liner is inspired by.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
I hope you loved this look, and if you were wondering, this is inspired by Aries. I figured that in the past I've done a lot of Aries makeup, and I've learned a lot about Aries because I've actually in recent years have become very close with a lot of Aries and have gained a lot of Aries friends, and I feel like Aries has this fiery side to it because it is a fire sign, but I also feel like it has this very fun, chill, laid back side to them as well. So I felt like this little hot cocoa and peppermint candy cane makeup look went perfect with Aries. So here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you got the zodiac sign right, comment below and let me know. And let me know what your sign is too, because those are coming soon. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you in the next video.